So now we are going to scrap restaurants from a specific area, like in San Francisco. So first of all, we have actors here. We can use different actors to use different businesses according to our criteria. So first of all, I'm going to scrap restaurants from Google Maps. So let's write here a Google Map extractor. This one. Now we need to either we can create a task or we can go directly from here, but for now I'm creating a task, and the task name is restaurants, San Francisco. Continue. Okay, so restaurants is already written here. So the location is San Francisco. Limit, we can remove this, or if we want to find limited businesses, then we can also add a limit here. The next step is to find correct filter, like place category. So we are finding restaurant. This option is for star ratings, but I am leaving it as empty, like we are targeting all star restaurants. Okay, so scrap only places with a website and skip closed places. So in this section, if we have a specific criteria, if we have a specific location, that we can also add it here. So the next step is just to save and start. Okay, so the actor is running. Let's wait and see like how many results we are getting from it.